Will 2023 be a good year to buy an investment property? That's question number 6 I asked you in my daily property quiz. If you missed the questions, go back to the videos on YouTube, figure out the answer, check the answers, follow us and subscribe so you don't miss anything. I think there's a lot of indications that it could be a good year to buy an investment property, but there's a few warning signs as well that you need to be aware of. And some of these things really depend on you and on your situation. So keep watching. This video is about if it's a good timing to buy an investment property. There's another video where I speak about what makes a good investment property. So what you need to take into account when you source the market for good properties. That's another video. We'll put a link in the comments and at the end of this video as well. But first, let's talk about why I think there's good potential for investing in property in Spain next year. I run 2 businesses. I'm Raf Jacobs. One is investing in properties. Second business is as an independent buyer agent helping other people invest in property, and I have a YouTube channel with tips. That's a privileged position to share because it comes from daily expertise, what I'm sharing here. Why is it good? I think first of all, real estate gives you strong protection against inflation. Properties don't tend to lose their value quickly. Stock markets, investment funds, crypto, these are all very volatile, have proven to lose double-digit percentages of value this year alone. So you know that. So real estate is a good protection. That's the first reason. And inflation will remain high next year, and uncertainty in the global financial markets will remain high, in my opinion, in the next year as well. Secondly, the property prices in Spain are, in my opinion, going to stabilize next year with potential price discount in some segments and in some locations. So that's interesting. Third reason, while purchase prices will stabilize or go down, rental prices will stabilize or go up. And that's good for you. Okay? That's rental income if you buy a property. That is a higher return on your investment. And demand on the rental markets stays strong as well next year. So that's good, strong elements. And the fourth strong point is if you have cash, so if you don't need a mortgage, it's even going to be more attractive because, as you know, interest rates have gone up. Now, a few warning signs. It's not always going to be a good idea to invest in a property. You need to know that if you finance a purchase, the purchase cost, the cost of buying, the cost of investing, will be higher. The Euribor, the reference rate for mortgages, the interest rate, has gone up and will probably go up a bit more in December 2022 and probably beginning of 2023 as well. Another video on that topic, you find it on the YouTube channel where I talk about interest rates and the implications for buyers. Secondly, if you buy a property that needs renovation, many investment properties, they require an upgrade and it's often a better business case. Just be mindful that because of the inflation, the material costs have increased as well. That means that your renovation will turn out to be a bit more expensive than what it would have been a year ago. It's just a question of budgeting it into your numbers and then you should be fine. And the third thing to keep in mind is you should think about what is the right rental segment for me, therefore the right investment segment. And that is, geographically speaking, people that know me, they know that I believe a lot in larger cities with strong demand and international demand as well for future growth of property prices and rental prices. But it's also what type of rental segment in terms of short-term contracts, tourist rentals, Airbnb, etc., mid-term rentals, monthly rentals, or long-term rental contracts, which in Spain are 5 or 7 years. If you want to know more on rental contracts, what is best for you? Masterclass on our website, check it out. It's discounted at the moment, 39 euros for a masterclass with rental contracts, clauses, difference between short-term and long-term contracts, your rights, your obligations as a landlord, as an owner. That's what you need to know for this. Watch the other video where I talk about what makes a good rental property. In that video, I'll show you my ROI model. I'll show you exact costs of sample properties or real properties that I use as an example. I'll talk about property features, what's important, etc. Enjoy watching. If you like it, share it and watch the comments in the link for more information.